Kalimera. Good morning. Hello, my dear friends. So, my boat by Captain Chico going to slip. Take out from the water and put on the trailer. Let's look how it works. Yeah, water is not very nice after winter. Let's take a look how the captain will take out my boat from the water. Captain Chico slowly, I should say, by tractor. This is my trailer, which arrived by very interesting stories. But 2 times. So, we'll see how they will do that. There. Smaller boat I did many times myself before I had my smaller boats. But this big, I'm not so good captain. That's why I asked the professional guy. Professional captain will do that. He's coming slowly. That is like that. Okay, tractor. Special tractor. The boat is waiting. Cool. Yeah. Professionals are professionals. No, I don't want to do that myself. Crazy. Not so easy. Serious question, guys. Captain Chico. Captain Chico, very good captain. Not for me, guys. Not for me, this question.
That's what I say. I tell you everything.
Yeah. Just fuck off.
You return that telephone. Hey, how you feeling?
This cost for me not so small money, but as you see, serious job. Yes, more. Okay. Engines up. Professionals is professionals. Okay, looks like we go out. Yeah. Serious question. Oh. No, this job not for me. Chico, good job. Professional. Take a look, guys. The sand trailer from Athena with empty tires. It's not good. What's not good? You clean, of course, everything. Yeah. They delivering somewhere. Park till Friday. Today is Wednesday, 2 days. I have to stay somewhere because we have to take some air. And we'll see. Police officer. Trying to find the place where that will be parked for 2 days. Still in the final position. Angry about tires. People.
I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about